Think of motorcycle gear as your own personal suit of armor. Just like a knight wouldn't go into battle without their armor, you shouldn't hit the road without your protective gear. It's not just about looking cool, it's about being smart and safe. It's the only thing standing between you and the road in a mishap. Imagine sliding across the asphalt at high speed. Without proper gear, your skin would be shredded. But with it, you have a fighting chance to walk away with minimal injuries. Your skin, not so tough. It's delicate and can easily be damaged. Road rash is no joke. It can lead to severe infections and long-term scarring. Protective gear acts as a barrier, taking the damage so your skin doesn't have to. A good set of gear is designed to take the brunt of the impact, saving you from serious injury. Helmets, jackets, gloves, pants and boots all play a crucial role. They are engineered to absorb shock, resist abrasion and provide cushioning. This can mean the difference between a minor scrape and a major injury. But it's not just about crashes. Everyday riding conditions can be just as challenging. The weather can change in an instant, and you need to be prepared. Gear also shields you from the elements. Rain can make roads slippery and reduce visibility. Wind can throw you off balance. Proper gear keeps you dry, warm and stable no matter what Mother Nature throws at you. Wind, rain, even bugs can be a pain when you're riding. Imagine a bug hitting your face at high speed or rain soaking through your clothes. It's not just uncomfortable, it's distracting and dangerous. Good gear keeps these nuisances at bay. The right gear keeps you comfortable so you can focus on the joy of riding. Remember, motorcycles are exhilarating. They're also inherently risky. The thrill of the open road comes with its own set of challenges, and being prepared is key to enjoying the ride safely. Investing in proper gear is investing in your own safety and enjoyment on the road. It's not just an expense, it's a commitment to protecting yourself. Take the time to find gear that fits well and meets safety standards. Your future self will thank you for it, so gear up, ride smart, and enjoy the journey with peace of mind. Choosing a motorcycle suit is a bit like picking an outfit for a special occasion. You want something that looks good and fits well. When it comes to suits, you've got two main choices, one-piece and two-piece. One-piece suits offer the highest level of protection. They're designed to stay in place during a crash and often have more armor built in. However, they can be hot and restrictive, especially for beginners. Two-piece suits, on the other hand, are more versatile. You can wear the jacket and pants separately, making them practical for everyday riding. Just make sure the two pieces zip together securely for maximum protection. Now, let's talk about materials. Leather and textile are the two main contenders when it comes to motorcycle gear. Each has its own set of pros and cons to consider. Leather is the classic choice. It's durable, abrasion-resistant, and offers excellent slide protection in a crash. However, it can be expensive, heavy, and requires more care than textile. Textile gear, made from synthetic materials like cordura or Kevlar, is gaining popularity. It's lighter, more breathable, and often comes with waterproof membranes. The downside? It may not be as abrasion-resistant as leather. Here's a sobering thought. In a motorcycle crash, certain parts of your body are more vulnerable than others. That's where armor comes in. Armor is designed to absorb and dissipate impact energy, protecting your joints and bones. Look for gear with CE-certified armor in key areas: shoulders, elbows, back, hips, and knees. Some gear even offers chest protection. Remember, armor is your last line of defense. It's essential for minimizing injuries in a crash. Don't skimp on this crucial piece of safety equipment. Section 5. The Goldilocks fit. Not too tight, not too loose. Finding the right fit for your motorcycle gear is crucial. It's not just about looking good, it's about ensuring your safety and comfort on the road. The right gear can make a significant difference in your riding experience. It's a delicate balance between comfort and safety. You want your gear to protect you in case of an accident, but you also need to be able to move freely and comfortably while riding. This balance is what we call the Goldilocks fit, too loose, and the armor might shift out of place in a crash. Loose gear can also flap in the wind, causing distractions and discomfort. Imagine riding at high speeds with your jacket sleeves flapping around. Not only is it annoying, but it can also be dangerous. Too tight, and it will restrict your movement and make for a miserable ride. Tight gear can cut off circulation, cause numbness, and make it difficult to maneuver your bike. You need to be able to turn your head, bend your knees, and move your arms without feeling like you're in a straitjacket. When trying on gear, mimic your riding position. Raise your arms, bend your knees and shift your weight. Sit on a motorcycle if possible to see how the gear feels in a real riding scenario. This will give you a better idea of how the gear will perform on the road. The gear should move with you, not against you. It should feel like a second skin, providing protection without hindering your movements. Walk around, do some squats, and make sure you can move freely. Remember, a good fit not only enhances safety, but also makes your ride more comfortable. When you're comfortable, you're more focused and less likely to make mistakes. Plus, you'll enjoy your ride a lot more. It's worth taking the time to find gear that fits you like a second skin. Don't rush the process. Try on different brands and sizes and don't settle for anything less than perfect. Your safety and comfort are worth the effort. Section 6. Gloves and boots. Your extremities matter. Your hands and feet are your connection to the motorcycle. Protecting them is paramount. Gloves and boots aren't just fashion accessories, they're essential safety gear. Gloves should be made of durable material like leather or Kevlar with reinforced palms and knuckle protection. Look for features like wrist closures and gauntlet-style cuffs for added safety and comfort. Boots should be sturdy and provide ample ankle support. Choose boots with oil-resistant soles for good grip and reinforced toe boxes and heels for impact protection. Section 7. Weathering the storm gear for every ride. Mother Nature can be unpredictable, especially on a motorcycle. That's why it's essential to have gear for all weather conditions. For hot weather, look for gear with ventilation zippers and breathable materials. Mesh jackets and pants can help keep you cool. Don't forget a base layer to wick away moisture. When the temperature drops, layering is key. A thermal base layer, heated gear, and a windproof outer shell will keep you warm. Waterproof gloves and boots are essential for riding in the rain. Section 8. Balancing act safety, comfort, and you. Choosing the right motorcycle gear is a personal journey. It's not just about picking the first helmet or jacket you see. It's about finding what truly fits your style, your body, and your riding habits. Each piece of gear you select should resonate with your personal preferences and riding needs. What works for one rider might not work for another. This is because every rider has a unique riding style, different body types, and varying levels of comfort. Some might prefer a snug fit, while others might opt for a bit more room. The materials, the design, and even the brand can make a significant difference in your riding experience. The key is to find a balance between safety, comfort, and your own individual needs. Safety should always be your top priority, but comfort is also crucial for long rides. You don't want to be distracted by an uncomfortable jacket or gloves that don't fit right. Your gear should feel like a second skin, providing protection without compromising onto comfort. Start with the basics: a good helmet, jacket, gloves, and boots. These are the essential pieces that every rider should have. A helmet protects your head, a jacket shields your torso, gloves safeguard your hand, and boots protect your feet and ankles. Each piece plays a critical role in ensuring your safety on the road. Invest in quality gear that fits well and provides adequate protection. High-quality gear might be more expensive, but it's worth the investment. Look for gear that meets safety standards and has good reviews from other riders. Try on different sizes and brands to find what fits you best. Then, gradually add to your collection as your riding skills and experience grow. As you become more experienced, you might find that you need additional gear like back protectors, knee guards, or specialized riding suits. Upgrading your gear over time allows you to spread out the cost and ensures that you always have the best protection available. Remember, motorcycle gear is an investment in your own well-being. It's not just about looking cool or following trends, it's about protecting yourself from potential injuries and ensuring that you can enjoy riding for years to come. Think of it as an insurance policy for your body. It's a small price to pay for the freedom and exhilaration of riding. The right gear can make your rides more enjoyable and give you peace of mind. Knowing that you're well protected allows you to focus on the road and fully experience the joy of riding. So gear up, stay safe, and enjoy the ride. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting out, the right gear can make all the difference. Take the time to find what works for you, invest in quality, and always prioritize your safety. Happy riding!